is not supported on your system, try running without the DX12 or D3D12 command line argument. 1. Remove the DX12 or D3D12 launch option. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, go to the Game Properties section, delete DX12 or D3D12 from launch options. 2. Force the game to run in DirectX 11, add -DX11 in launch options, save the settings changes, launch the game again. 3. Check your DirectX version. Press Windows R, type DXdiag, and press Enter. Confirm whether DirectX 12 is installed. 4. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel driver tool. Install the latest GPU driver update. Restart your PC after installation. 5. Update Windows completely. Open Settings, Windows Update. Download all available updates. Restart your PC afterward. #6. Verify GPU compatibility. Check if your graphics card supports DirectX 12. Older GPUs may only support DirectX 11. Upgrade hardware if unsupported. 7. Install latest DirectX runtime. Download DirectX runtime files from Microsoft. Install missing DirectX components. Restart your computer after installation. 8. Use dedicated graphics card. Open Windows Graphics Settings or NVIDIA Control Panel. Set the game to high-performance GPU. Avoid launching the game on integrated graphics. 9. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Game Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 10. Reinstall graphics drivers cleanly. Uninstall old GPU drivers completely. Install fresh drivers from the official GPU website. Restart your PC and test the game again.